get big shows.
And while I'm here, I want this to be known. South African fans, please vinyl your albums so we can celebrate.
Are you guys good? Okay, I want a vinyl. I want a vinyl. I want to David. I'll be busy writing them. I do want a vinyl album David, and I would supply you guys with the first copy of you guys get that. You guys are witnesses. Sorry, you guys are witnesses to this. This is what we're gonna do. When Loveman does our first over, we go with our first debut album. We will do that album. Then sell the album exclusively. We'll do that. My favorite, probably one of the most albums that's changed my life.